Hello, you are all welcome once again to Abzolutegh channel. Today we are going to make ointment cream. Cream based ointment. We have the normal Vaseline type ointment, but this one is a cream based ointment and it works like magic like the other one. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell. Show me some love. Show me some love by sending in comments and then share. It's very important to me here. So we are going to learn how to make it, for business. Now let's move straight to the ingredients. This is menthol crystal or poho. These are the herbs that I'm going to use, or the medicine that I'm going to use. I've measured everything in this container. I have wax, cetyl alcohol, shea butter, lanolin, white oil, petroleum jelly, and then coconut oil, all in this bowl. I've measured everything in this bowl. And then this is my water. I've already measured it here. And these are the containers that I'm going to use. So I'll just put it on fire, and then I'll do a double boiler method in this process. So I'll just put it on fire here. And allow it to gradually melt, and then for the water to heat up. Then we will continue with the preparation. Now all the ingredients has almost melted, so I've already sanitized my containers. I'll add glycerin since it's a cream. It's an ointment cream. I'm going to use glycerin and then vitamin E. Now let me take you through the herbs I have here. I have cloves, I have ginger, I have turmeric, I have black pepper. These are the herbs that I'm going to use. So I will just add it to my water, so to allow it to infuse before I use it for production. Everything is well melted. So next I'm going to sieve the water to get rid of the chaff from it. So I will just go ahead and then sieve it. I hope you like what you are seeing. So if you need training on this or any other hair or skincare product, contact me on the number on your screen. If you need detergent training, to just call the number or WhatsApp the number for me to discuss with you. Next, I'm going to add the melted waxes and then the butters. And then I'll just blend it. Like we all know how to do it. You have to blend it for the oil and then the water to combine very well, to prevent separation of the oil and then the water. Now I'm going to add peppermint oil, glycerin, and then the vitamin E. They are all in this cup, so I'll just add it and then blend. If you don't have a stick blender and you have whisker at home, you can use the whisker. If you don't have a whisker too, then you have to stir very, very vigorously to mix well. Blend the oils and then the water together. Next, I'm going to add my last ingredient, which is the poho or menthol crystal. I'll just leave it to melt. This one, you don't have to wait until the cream cools down. You have to add it whilst it's still hot, so that the heat will melt the menthol crystal. Next, I'm adding color. You can prefer to add or leave it. So I'm adding this much and then stir. The quantity of color depends on you, and then the quantity of the ingredient will be either on top or at the bottom of the video, depending on where the editor will keep it. So you keep stirring until it mixes very well. I think the color is small for me, so I will add another one and then keep stirring. So at this juncture, I will just blend it, so that it will mix well, then get back to you. Now, I thought I was using a mauve color, but it ended up being a blue color. So I will just allow it to cool down to thicken up, then I will package it for you to see. I covered it for about 3 or 4 hours, but I stirred in between. Yes, so now it has thickened up. This is cream base. If you want a lotion ointment, then it will be lighter than this. Look at how smooth and thick it looks. So now I'm going to package it in my bowl. But one thing I forgot to show it to you is I added preservative. Since we used water to make it, where there's water, there's life. So I added preservative to it, to prevent mold and yeast, and then to prevent contamination. So now it is now packaged in a container like this. You then cover it and bam, your cream ointment or ointment cream is now ready. This one is for rashes and also for pain relief. The texture is very smooth, like any other cream that you apply in your body. Thank you for watching. Make your own and then share a comment with us. Thank you and see you in my next video.